Hey besties! In this video I'll be walking you through an easy DIY rice face mask that your skin will absolutely love. To get started, you'll need just 1 cup of plain rice and 3 cups of water. That's it. The first step is to wash the rice thoroughly. Rinse it at least 2 to 3 times. This helps to get rid of any dirt, dust, and extra starch that can irritate the skin. Next, cook the rice until it becomes soft. You can boil it on the stove or use a rice cooker, whichever is more convenient for you. If you're trying this mask for the first time, it's best to start with a smaller quantity. Use 1/4 cup of rice and 1 cup of water to make a test batch. Once the rice is fully cooked and soft, let it cool for a bit. Then transfer it to a blender and blend until smooth. Feel free to add more water if the mixture is too thick, or leave it as is if you prefer a creamy texture. It's completely up to you. When you're happy with the consistency, let the mixture cool completely before applying it to your face. Never use it while it's still hot, as it can burn your skin. Apply an even layer to clean skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, rinse it off with lukewarm water and follow your usual skincare steps. You can store any leftovers in the fridge for up to a week. Just make sure it's in an airtight container. I've been using this mask regularly and the results are so good. It's super simple, natural, and provides visible benefits, like reducing dark spots and pigmentation, calming acne and irritated skin. Give it a try and let me know how your skin feels afterward. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.